Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you a few products that I got from Bella Vita Organic. This brand believes in new age Ayurveda. So Bella Vita is an organic brand and it's Ayurveda certified. It is also an ISO certified company. It does not test on animals and it doesn't have parabens, no harsh detergents or sulfates. Their products are also non-toxic and sustainably made, and they prepare their products in small batches, which is a great thing. I have a few different skincare products from them. I will be showing them to you and will be sharing my thoughts on how I feel about these products. I'll also have the links and the details in the description box. So if you want to know what all I got and how I feel about these products, please continue watching. So the first product that I have from Bella Vita Organic is their Sea Glow face wash. This is the outer cardboard box and the product comes in a bottle like this. So this is their face wash with vitamin C, sandalwood, honey, coffee, neem and lemon. So this one claims to control oil. This is also anti-acne. It will brighten and smoothen your skin, and this is also suitable for all skin types. This is actually a huge bottle. It's got 225 ml. It's got a really nice texture and it's quite runny. The consistency is like honey. It also looks like honey and it has a beautiful fragrance. It also lathers up really well and it cleanses my face really well without making it dry, which is a great thing, especially during winters, because generally your skin tends to get drier during the winter months. So a face wash like this is really useful because it does the job of cleaning your face really well, but it doesn't make it dry. So this is the first product that I got from Bella Vita. The next thing that I have from Bella Vita Organic is their Exfoliate Face and Body Scrub Grit. So this is the outer box and this is how the actual product looks like. So it's in a dust form and this claims to remove dead skin, detans, polishes skin, and it contains walnut, coffee, coconut oil, rock salt. This is how the product looks like, and it's basically a scrub that you get in a dust form, and it has different sized scrubbing particles, and you can mix it with any skincare product of your choice and convert it into a scrub. Like you can mix it with face wash and scrub your face and body, or with a body lotion to scrub your knees and elbows. Scrub and massage for 2 minutes and then wash it off. This can be a little harsh for a lot of people, so I won't recommend using this on the face, but you can definitely use it on the body to get rid of all the dead skin cells, and this will exfoliate your body really well. So I'm definitely going to use this like a body scrub, and since it has coffee, it smells divine. So the next product that I have is a Glotion, which is basically a face and body butter lotion. This is the product. It comes with a pump which makes it really easy to use, and it has shea butter, cocoa butter, vitamin E along with other really nice ingredients. This product is really nice. It actually falls in between a body lotion and a body butter. So it's not very thick like a body butter, but it's not as runny like a body lotion. It has a beautiful consistency and it hydrates the skin really well. So this one will work for all skin types and it is a really good product. The next product that I have is a lip scrub. So it is the Bella Vita Nico Lips Scrub Balm. Like it is basically a hydrating lip scrub. So it contains walnut, beetroot and natural butters. This is how it looks. It has a really sweet candy-like fragrance. This lip scrub is really good. It removes the dead skin on your lips and it also hydrates it. It doesn't make it dry at all, and it is not very harsh, and this is a really useful product especially during the winter months because we all get dry chapped lips during the winter season. So if you have that problem, then definitely do give this a try. It's a really nice product. The last product that I want to show in this video is the Bella Vita Organic Glowy Mask Scrub Cleanse. This is basically a 3-in-1 product, and I'll just show you how the product looks like. So it's basically a face mask, and you also get a brush that you can apply it with, and this is how the actual product looks like. So it's like a pink clay mask, and it contains aloe vera juice, cold pressed sunflower oil, cold pressed almond oil, cold pressed coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, pink clay, bentonite, walnut shell grid, rose essential oil, along with other ingredients. Like I mentioned before, this is basically a 3-in-1 product. So it claims to exfoliate, smoothen, brighten your face. So I apply it like a normal face pack, leave it on for some time, and I do not let it dry completely. I make it 50 to 60% dry, and then I go in with a light hand and gently scrub my skin, and then I wash the face mask off, and it makes my skin baby soft and removes all the dullness and adds like a really nice glow. You can also use this product just like a face mask, like apply it like a normal face mask, leave it on till it dries completely, and then simply wash it off. You do not need to like scrub it. So if you're not a fan of physical exfoliators, then you can definitely use it just like a clay mask, and it works really well like that as well. So you can definitely try it out. So these were all the products that I got from Bella Vita Organic, and that is it for this video. I will have all the product links in the description box, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to check out other videos on my channel. You can check them out right here. I'm sure you're gonna love them, and you can also subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I have a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.